Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today in this particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the AirPods 2. Now this is the best selling headphones of Apple. This was released in 2019 and I feel this is one of the best headphones you can buy under 15,000. So without a further ado, let's get started. So let us just unbox this particular AirPods 2, and these are one of the best headphones in the world guys as per the sales etc, and Apple makes a huge lot of money from this particular headphones. In India it is available for 15,000, and as you can see this is the latest 2021 edition, and I purchased this particular headphones guys without a charging case. Let us just unbox it, and this is the wrap which you get. Unfortunately we don't get any pull tabs for this particular product like other Apple products, and let us just open and check it what else we get in the box. And I think Apple should have at least included some other color options with this. We get some manuals. I don't think so we have the Apple stickers with the AirPods, and I think if you can pair this particular headphones, and previously if you have used it, there is no need to read the documentation. And this is how the AirPods looks. Let us just check what else we get in the box, and I think we are just getting the lightning connector because these headphones can charge only via lightning connector. And guys, this is so much satisfactory again, and I really like the white color in this, but of course I also like the black color, but then you don't get those in black. And this is how it looks. That white color indicator indicates that it is in pairing mode, and there is this nice clap which you get once you are closing this particular headphones. And the pairing process is very simple. All you need to do is turn on the Bluetooth connection over here and then just open the lid, and it just works magic guys. And I know I had been using it for a while, and as you can see you just have to press the connect button, and upon this you can even set up Siri, with the help of which you can operate like play, pause and all. And this particular pop-up just shows you the battery percentages of the AirPods and the charging case, and the battery backup is quite good I would say. Previously I've also used the AirPods Pro, and if you have the battery widget it will just show you the battery percentages on your home screen as well, and which is a great deal. So if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also let us just check what else is there and how this operate. And as you can see the magnetic covering have this nice click. Then again guys, there are magnets which can attach your AirPods to the charging case, and so that it does not fall off. And as you can see it is having that mesh kind of grill, and it is really looking great guys. I feel this is one of the best looking headphones, but again which you can easily lose because it might not fit in certain people's ear. And as you can see guys, it is quite likely that it's the same. I mean the design is the same which we were getting for the wired. Please follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at @CreativeSoft, and we'll be more than happy to help you out with any queries you have. Let's just check how it actually goes inside this particular charging case. And yes, you cannot put this in opposite direction. Suppose you have the right part, you cannot use it in the left one, and you just have to put it in the correct place order guys. And I think this is fine, which most of the people are not going to make a mistake. And as soon as you put this earbuds inside this, it starts charging, and there is this nice clicky again feeling. And as I said, it comes with a lightning connector and connects via lightning only. I wish Apple would have included the Type-C connector for this. In order to pair with the Android phone, you have to click on this particular button, and with the help of which it will just put your AirPod in pairing mode. After pairing it guys, this is nice, and it is sort of a comfy feeling I would say, but most of y'all might be having issues. This is how it looks, and once you double tap on this, it can help you to change the tracks and play, pause the music etc. Regarding the sound quality, I feel this is one of the best sounding headphones, and most of y'all will be complaining like it is not fitting in your ears. I totally agree that if I try to walk or run using this particular headphone, this might fall off, and I'm usually worried about this. I feel most of y'all are not going to face this particular issue. Maybe my ear canals are bigger. I noticed this with many people, they are having the same issues. Besides this, I feel the audio quality is fantastic. So till I have tested, the battery life is amazing of these particular headphones, and I don't know how this will feel after using this for about 2 years, and till now what I've used, it is just giving me about 2 hours, which is great guys in my particular opinion. Let me know in the comments below guys what headphones you all are presently using, and are you thinking of buying the AirPods 2? I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel, because there is something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also let me know in the comments below which other video you would like to see. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.